Here I have iPhone error, and let me show you how to open the scientific calculator on the following phone. Let's begin. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's open the calculator. All you need to do is open Utilities, choose here Calculator. It's like the default location of your calculator. As you can see, this is like the simplest calculator that you can use, but if you would like to change it into a scientific calculator, let's use this icon in the upper right corner and choose Scientific. That's it. As you can see, here we've got the scientific calculator. You can change the position of your iPhone and it will be easier for you to use. Here you can use some advanced mathematical options like cosinus, sinus, and logarithms, etc. So basically that's it. If you would like to go back to the default one, let's choose basic, and here we've got your basic calculator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.